Hello, this is the Leo Jarvis from Lynx Mark 2. Um, hey Jarvis. Jarvis.
How may I be of assistance?
Yeah, it's really good. Um, we can select things
Tips.
from here.
Tips.
Open Google Chrome.
Sure. Here you go.
Yeah, we can send commands like open control panel.
Sure.
Yeah, it's from here.
Customize. Settings. Customize. Customize.
Yeah, we can change commands like mm, we have just yeah we can do it like that. Okay, so you'll be wondering how to get it. Okay, simply go to Google Chrome, yeah, Mozilla. Come on. And Mega Voice Command. And go to the website. And then go to downloads. And then this one. MKII. Is just some sort of rubbish. Like, bleh. Okay, so you should but the note that Windows Jarvis is only for Windows till now. So Windows and this is a paid version I think. So we have to click on free download. After after you download, you can install Jarvis like from downloads. This setup exe, and when you do it, you have to launch the Jarvis application and then you can use Jarvis and you can change its name for the Lynx Mark 2, but then you can change their name and do whatever you want to do. Okay, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.